Okay, so let us start now our regular group discussion session, and let me give you the topic. Topic I'm giving is very general kind of topic, and that is problem of unemployment in India and its solution. Problem of unemployment in India and its solution.
Sir, can you repeat one?
Yeah. So the topic is problem of unemployment in India and its solution. Problem of unemployment in India and its solution. So take 30 seconds and then we start it. Okay, so I think now we can initiate. So Kiran, can we start from you?
Okay, sir, sure. Good evening, friends. My name is Kiran. First of all, thank you for giving an opportunity to initiate the discussion. So the given topic for us today is problem of unemployment in India and its solutions. So I think, in my opinion, it is a relevant topic because the unemployment rate in India is increasing in last year due to COVID-19 pandemic situation and all. So it is very relevant topic. So we have to discuss many dimensions of this topic. We should not like situation, and we should not be like that. We should discuss many dimensions of this topic. So we can categorize this like what are the problems associated, why this unemployment is increasing in India, and how can we reduce the unemployment in India. We can categorize this topic like this. So first of all, I would like to add some more points why this unemployment is increasing in India. First of all, it is the COVID-19 situation. Due to COVID-19 situation, the unemployment is increased. Currently, the unemployment rate is around above 7%. It is in last 29 years, it is the worst hit time regarding unemployment rate. Why the first reason is COVID-19 situation, and second reason I think is the unemployment rate was around 6 or something in before COVID-19 situation also. So before COVID-19 situation also unemployment was there. The reason why the unemployment during that time was, I thinking that it is due to the education system. I think our education system is not up to date. So some of the industrial experiences and all we are not getting. We all are engineering graduates, so we know what industrial experience we got, and like that. The lack of industrial experience, I think, is one of the main.
Kiran, 2 minutes are over.
Oh, okay, sir. I'm concluding and I'm opening the.
Okay, Kaushik, go ahead.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. My name is Kaushik Sarkar, and I'm glad that I got this opportunity to initiate the discussion. As we know, today's topic is problem of unemployment and its solution. And I think this is a very highly relevant topic, as we all must have encountered someone, or we might have actually experienced this in the first-hand basis. The current unemployment rate of India is around 6.9% as of February 2021. And this is quite alarming if you consider the total size of population. I personally feel that we should actually start solving it by considering the reason of the problems and then moving on to the solution. With that being said, I think we can categorize this discussion into two parts, one being the problems and the solution. Now, moving on to the problems, I think the problem lies basically at two particular sectors. One being the problem with the job seeker. The person who is seeking the job might not possess the necessary skill and may not have adapted to the new demands of the industry. And secondly, the problems that is associated with the job provider. The provider might be facing certain uncertainty times. The share price might be going down. He might not be willing to invest in hiring any new skill or labor. And also the COVID-19 has played a major role in the growing uncertainty of the employment. Now, let us move on to the solution. Again, to the solution, I think we can categorize into two parts. One being the solutions that we can change ourselves, we can improve ourselves, adapt more to the dynamic situation, and then the solution that has to be implemented by the industry and the government. So with that being said, I would like to open the house for discussion, and I invite you all to discuss on this topic.
Okay, Vaibhav.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaibhav. I'm glad that I start the discussion. Today's topic of the problem and its solution on unemployment. I think it is the very relevant topic we are facing. We are facing this problem for quite days, and I think the first thing I know that unemployment is due to the two reasons, because the population of our country is increasing day by day and job is very limited, so that unemployment rate is drastically increasing. And second one is the economy. Our economy got decreasing due to several factors. They impact on the economy, like corona make more important on this. And it's so I think these are the problem category, and solution is we have to sector. Government sector is limited in our country, so that if everyone is concentrated on government sector, then unemployment drastically increases. So we have to invest more and more foreign country and MNC companies, so that we have to decrease unemployment. And thank you. I am glad that I open the house to for the discussion.
Ram?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ram Kishan Yadav, and I am glad to start our discussion on the GD topic, that is problems of unemployment in India and its solution. In my opinion, this topic is of current relevance, and all we have faced this in some situation. And I believe that we can divide our topic into two situations. That first is the problem itself, and then its solution. And from this also we can sub-characterize this situation, this problem and solution into different categories from different points of view. Like first from the student point of view, second from the teachers and college point of view, that the college collaboration with the industries, and third is from the industry point of view, that what are their requirements. So the schemes related to government schemes related to start up new businesses, because jobs are limited, we need new startup here. So now I open the house for the discussion.
Okay, now I think Keshle can proceed.
Yes, good evening, everyone. I am glad to have this opportunity to initiate this group discussion. I think we have a current topic of general importance given to us, which is a problem of unemployment in India and its solution. I think we should talk about this in three parts. That is the cause of the solution, the cause of the problem and effects, and also we should talk about the solution, how to solve. I think in the cause there is definitely COVID-19 pandemic has has caused a great problem of unemployment, and also there are various points related to mismanagement of the government of India, and basically there are drastic effects like because of unemployment and less number of vacancies, there is the skills of the Indian students are also going down because of lack of motivation. And also we should talk about the solution, how to deal with such a big problem. And I am glad, and with this I would like to open the house for discussion.
Yes, Saurabh.
Good evening, everyone. I am Saurabh Bhattacharya. The topic of today's GD is the unemployment of India, the problems of unemployment of India and its solutions. So I want to divide this entire GD topic into three major parts: that why, what, and how. Why there is unemployment, what this unemployment problem. So this COVID-19 pandemic has obviously aggravated the unemployment situation. But if we think in general, there are some other salient reasons of this unemployment. One of the main reason of unemployment, I think, is the low quality education in Indian educational system. Then there are actually what education are provided to us, the company requirement is way above that, and they are actually selecting the best quality students. So naturally the students who are of low quality or medium quality, they are obviously overlooked. Then the other kind of assessments of this of the problem of the reason of unemployment is obviously the rising population and the governmental mismanagement and the different kind of mismanagement in terms of government. So it causes about the solution, about the results, that what it causes, it mainly causes the students actually, the overall economy of the country decreases and the students are very frustrated and they are taking other ways of actually getting money or collecting money or other way of businesses. And in case of solution, I think that we have to provide the students with a high quality education and think about themselves, think about the students, and the government should take an active role and kind of manage this situation. With this, I want to open the house for discussion for the rest of the time. Thank you.
Okay, so I think all of us have participated in the first round, that is the introduction round. And now we enter into second round, which is the discussion among all of you, and that will be for 10 minutes. So please listen to what others are saying, agree with them, disagree with them, give your points so that we conclude proper way in the third round. So now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
I add one point that the agriculture, India is the
Okay, so-
agriculture country. India is the agriculture country. Previously people are doing agriculture, but now people are moving towards the city. They want job and a stable life. That's why the rate of unemployment is drastically increasing and competition in
Yes,
point.
If there is unemployment due to the people actually moving
employment
towards the
sector
city,
in
then
agriculture field is very high.
Yes.
If we go for a rural area and all, most of the people in that rural area is working in agricultural sector. But what is the problem in agricultural sector? We are not certain about whether we will get profit or not. So in that case, government has a lot of things to do for those kind of peoples.
Yeah, Kiran, I completely agree with you. I think apart from the agricultural sector, one of the most present sector that is of relevance is engineering sector. Now, if you see the engineering graduates, we personally
Yes.
feel that we have a less application-based study, so that actually doesn't make us ready for the industry.
no,
And even the
it's
industry
not only
recruiters are
application
losing-
based study. I think the
Yeah, definitely.
education that
I think we
that
also
we are
lack the
getting.
soft skills. We are not getting the development of personality. We are not having a program which allows us to develop the communication skills. And this actually
means
should
we
be
are-
addressed at the very grassroots level.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
means
want
the
to take-
education system
I
in
agree
which we
that,
are
but
provided with us
I
in our
totally
college
agree on
is
that.
basically
I share one data that in 1990 there are the 337 colleges in India, and in 2000 it goes to 776, and in 2017 the college goes to 6,472. The the number of colleges
Yes,
drastically
No, no,
increased,
Vaibhav,
and the
I
quality of
definitely
education
yes,
is
I definitely agree with you, Vaibhav, on that. But the increase in the number of colleges is not
College
an
does not
indicator of
yeah.
increase in the quality. Actually, it is not
Yeah, means
satisfying
we
the
should have
quality
to focus
requirement.
more on the
It's just
quality,
this,
right?
yeah,
Means
it is,
in this
it is
India
actually
there are-
adding to the problem. If you
Yeah,
actually
means
create
that's the issue.
lack
Means
in the
the-
quality, they are creating an excess pool, and from that pool, actually, it is adding to the unemployment rate.
Yes,
Yeah, what
that is
Kaushik
I
is
want to
saying, I
give
am
an
totally
example.
agree with this, because suppose in previously in one post there were 100 engineering students. Now there are thousands
Yeah.
engineering students applying for the one post, right? So
Yes,
yes.
the pool of engineer actually increase. So actually we can say the quantity increases, but the quality
The
decreases.
quality.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, I would
Yes.
like to
Main thing
totally
actually.
And
That's
engineer
the-
is not taking job
our
of the
education
engineer
system
field. They are
is not up
taking
to
job
date
of the
now.
other field
The
also.
up to date
Not
means
only blame
new
the-
courses should
not
be
only
there.
blame the
Nowadays, what we
Yeah.
are studying is conventional form, heat transfer,
That's it, that's it.
thermodynamics,
Means-
just conventional type only study.
Yeah.
What is
I
the
would like-
No,
current
it's
relevant
wrong,
thing?
sir.
That is
So we are not
basically
getting up
basic.
to
Basics are
date.
important here. If you don't
I would
have
like to
basics,
disagree
then how
with my
you
friends
will
at
learn the
this
advanced
point of
stage of
time,
that?
because I would like to disagree
Yeah.
with my friends at this point of time that we should not only blame the educational institution at this point of time. The motivation of students to get educated and to gain the skills they are given is also important. And because of
Yeah,
the
it is
rising
also-
unemployment in India,
Actually,
The students has a also a
actually,
duty.
Chinmay, I agree with you
every year
on that.
8
Yeah,
million
yeah.
students
I-
are graduated.
You know,
So
when
students are
anybody
interested
chooses
in
a
studying.
career in case of
But-
India, you are not actually
and students are there-
completely informed about that.
even more
Most
like-
of us have, when we were choosing our branches in engineering, we were not particularly aware of what branches we are choosing and what are the pros and cons, or whether we will fit into the branches properly. So our education system must be much more streamlined and should be flexible enough to allow diversification into our career. So
I want
I
to
may
give
be
an
a
example
mechanical
of my
engineer by
personal
passion,
life
but
here.
somebody
I
else
add
may
one
not
more
be.
Means
thing
I think we
that
are forced to
economy
actually study
economy
this kind
is
of things, right? Means when we are
Important.
actually entering, we have no choice. Means
I
suppose
add I
I
add
have
one point
got
that the unemployment is the main factor is the economy. Our economy is goes on decreasing so that unemployment is increasing. We are deviating from topic. Our topic is unemployment. One of the reason is economy, and due to COVID,
no means
our
you are
economy
saying that
We are, Vaibhav, we
unemployment
are not
results
deviating
economy,
from the
but
topic.
loss in means these are reversible,
Employ
right? Means
economy
Yeah,
is
economy
affected.
is one
That
single factor. Definitely, the
yeah,
other factors also to be considered, and we are not deviating, I think.
Yes,
yeah.
I
We are
would
not.
like to
So
talk
we have
about the
actual.
solution for the. I would like to talk about the solution for the unemployment problem. I think the loss in government jobs in India is a major problem for unemployment, and because of less skills, the unemployment is increasing. The government should not
Yeah.
discourage the students by decreasing the vacancies. For example, so many railway vacancies have been removed from ISRO, and the PSUs are getting privatized. That is demoralizing the students not to getting studies and further degrading their skills and getting unemployed. So government should try to
Yes.
bring back
Yes, I
the
completely agree with
either
you
Yes,
on
I
that
will
part.
also agree
Even
with
I
your
think
point
I
that
will
we
we
have
will also
the
like to add
chances
one
of
point
getting
that
jobs, right?
I
We
add
have to
one
yeah,
point
I will
increase.
in
also like to add. Even if you
I
give a low
But we
salary, I
have
think you should
private job
at least
also.
make
There are
vacancies.
private sectors
So
also where we
I
can do
no,
jobs.
obviously, if
I
you
want to
consider
give an
the private
example in
sector,
I add one
I
point
want to
in
give an
that.
example of
I
my
add one
own
point in
personal
that the
interview.
government should make a policy of inviting more and more MNCs so that our economy, our
now,
unemployment
Vaibhav, I
problem
would
not
like to
in.
point out one thing to you. Does MNCs only contribute to the economy? Does the public sector and government sector
But they
doesn't
are
play
generating the
this role?
But
employment.
Both,
If
Yeah,
they are
means in all
generating,
yeah,
sectors
even
we
the
should
government
improve. Means
sector,
we
I
have to
think,
think about all
I think
kind
you are
of
quite
jobs, right?
mistaken, Ram,
Compared to
that
MNC, we should
even the
concern more about the startups. Our engineering
yeah, we should
graduate, we have
also
a
pay
lot of
attention to the
ideas.
new
So
generation. Yes.
more investment should be given for startups compared to MNC. What MNC is doing? MNC is taking profit from our country and taking that
Yeah,
money to
and
other
Kiran,
country.
we are
I
talking
completely
about
agree
our
on
own
you.
MNCs.
Even
Yeah.
MNCs are actually outsourcing the cream layer jobs. They are taking only the labor intensive job to our country,
Yes,
and the
yes.
rest
Yeah.
cream layer
No,
jobs they are
I
outsourcing it.
don't
All
believe
So
that
it is
yeah.
one company
completely
takes engineer from here. TCS is also a multinational company. It is taking job. It also gives jobs professional from our country also. That
Yes,
is
I
not
totally
We
the
have
agree
idea.
with my
developed new
friend Ram that
technology and
the
power
importance
system
of
so that
government jobs, the importance of
uh,
government
Yeah,
jobs in
yeah.
India is
Means
very huge, and it gives us motivation. So many, around 8 lakh students study only for GATE and become so much skilled after become from starting from zero level. They become so much skilled just because to get into government jobs. So that is a source of motivation, and the
yeah,
government is
means the
trying to
government.
remove.
Yeah,
the
I agree
government
with you. Means the
government job is limited
jobs.
in our country. We have
No,
to
means
Yes.
the
see other.
prospect should
Also
be
see
increased,
the
right?
private
The
sector.
seat should be increased. Means the number of students that should be selected that can be increased by the government, right? Means
Yes,
the
for increasing the seat, we have to make
Increase will
profit
increase
for the
the
government also.
confidence of
If we
students.
make profit for the government, then only they will increase seats
See,
or they will
government
yeah
is
invest in
means
not
some
working
other
for
plan
profit
so that
alone.
jobs are
Government is
generated
not
here.
working for profit alone. Government is working for the people in India. It's
Yes.
not based on the profit. The government's motivation is not to make profit. Okay,
Yes.
I
That's
agree with
why.
Kiran.
motivation
But
is to
I
give
agree with
government is
Kiran point.
employment
facing
to
Government
losses
have
in
people.
there.
no
Then
issue
they
on the
have to
profit.
be
They
bear that
have
from
to
somewhere
the
else. They have to be bear that losses from somewhere else now. So they are doing cost cutting, employments cutting. That's why
yeah.
I think that the
See, I think
is related to that only. And also I want to give an example of my personal experience that in TCS I got cleared in FT test, and after that there's TCS interview. So in that he asked me some HR question, general HR question, then puzzles question, and
definitely
after
TCS is one of the major recruiters in our nation. But I
yes.
think other than the IT sector, there are major sectors. We all may not pay so much attention to the farming sector. Even if you see the 58% population or about 50% of the population is employed in the farming sector. Even it is not a lucrative sector. I think government and other persons
Yeah.
are to actually boost the economy and the returns from the farming sector. So even
Yes,
our
I would.
urban and
Yes,
rural
yes,
population
Kaushik,
can
I
be
totally
benefited.
agree with
Not
you.
only
But
the
I think
engineering
we should
sector.
let. I think we should let Ram complete his example. I think he was giving a very good example. Can you please, Ram?
Yes, So after HR and puzzle questions, so he asked me about coding. So he was happy at the end of the interview, and he said that we generally don't see that what are the skill is in you. We generally see that how you can solve a problem. If a person is able to solve a problem, any problem, so he can solve any problem, and also the skills can be learned in the company itself also. During training period, we will teach you how to do coding, but the problem solving skill come from inside only. That what your journey
that is
is.
correct.
No, means
Yes.
that insight
not
has
the
to be
problem.
developed,
Actually,
right?
that is,
Yes,
that
so
you
that
are
Yeah.
is
developed in a
developed.
school.
Means
Yeah,
we
I
don't
agree.
focus on
Like
actually
they need
developing the
skilled,
insights.
skilled people only, highly skilled people only they need. They don't need any unskilled students or unskilled person. Those are also
And the majority of the population also works in the unskilled labor industry. We
Yeah.
all need to focus
No.
on that also. The construction sector, if you consider the construction
Yeah.
sector, it has been actually non-functional for about 1.5 years for the COVID first wave and second wave. We need
Yes.
such stimulus packages to actually start that construction sector and rejuvenate work in that.
Yeah. So
We
Yes,
all
that's a
might be
pandemic
focused.
related, but construction job
Definitely, it's a
create the
source of unemployment, na?
most employment, means most job are created by the construction sectors only. That's why. But yes, maybe there's some problem that hitting by a pandemic. That is the
Construction.
Small industry and medium industry got affected due to COVID situation, so that the most of our people got lost job and the unemployment rate is got drastically increasing. This is the one of the reason that unemployment
but-
is hit at peak.
Yeah, this is one of the reasons, but means if we want to generalize that this is a kind of, this is not a general reason, right? Means it may be one reason, but I think we should, as we were discussing, we should focus mostly on the technique about the insight building, which is totally ignored in our college curriculums, right?
Okay.
Means,
yes.
So I think now we
Yeah.
go for conclusion round. So Vaibhav, why don't you conclude?
Okay, sir. Okay, friends. It is a very okay, friends. I thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am glad that I conclude on the behalf of you. We have very good discussion. Someone have given a very good point, and we like that point. In our discussion, we have divided our discussion into problem and its solution. The problem of unemployment is due to the economy. One of the factors is economy, and the population is drastically increasing, decrease in GDP, and we have less number of company invested in India. These are the problem we have, and its solution is that to government boost the economy and more contribution to the job sector and economy sector, develop more and more economy, and more job is generated. And one of the factor is we have to concentrate on other factor in which employment is increasing, like in technology and science. We have developed more and more job.
Yes, I would like to thank everyone, and I am glad to have this opportunity to conclude this discussion. I think we have the unemployment from COVID pandemic to lack of proper educational institutions in India, and we also talked about the rural aspects of that. Many people are when many people are leaving the agriculture and coming to cities, that is causing the problem of unemployment in India. And we talked about the solution that when government will try to boost the economy by increasing the vacancies, more and more students will be motivated to prepare for GATE, and they get improved skill sets that will not only help them in PSU but also for the private also, and overall the skill set of India will improve to solve unemployment problem. With this, I would like to conclude this group discussion. Thank you.
Kiran?
Friends, I am taking the opportunity to conclude the discussion. Today we had a good discussion. We discussed many dimensions of this topic. So I think first we were discussing about the agricultural field and how it is contributing to the how the government can implement some laws to improve the agriculture sector and all. And then we discussed about the engineering field and how our education system is not up to date, and the engineering students are not getting any industrial experience and all. We discussed about these things, and Kishle pointed out that the government are not filling the vacancies, which is leading to the unemployment in this country. And Ram was talking about the multinational companies, and they are taking many people. Yeah, that is true. They are taking many people, and they are giving many employment. They are giving many jobs to people in the country. And towards the end, Vaibhav talked about some small industry and medium industries. They are closed due to the COVID-19 situation. So we also discussed about these things. So overall, we had a good discussion, and I am concluding on behalf of everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, Ram.
Yes, yes, sir. Okay, everyone, I take this opportunity to conclude our discussion. Friends, we have a good discussion and we could reach to a consensus. So first of all, I will tell the problem that we have discussed in our discussion. First, that the pool of engineers are increasing, but the engineering jobs are decreasing in India. Second, economy of India, as it is also related to the economy. Third, privatization of PSU and also releasing of less jobs by the government. Fourth, rural aspect that we related to our agriculture industry and talk about migrant people and workers, semi-skilled workers. And fifth, the small industry that are affected by the COVID. Now the solution part, that startups of new businesses, MNC also give jobs, and different industry also provide job in India. We have to change our thinking that moving from government job to private jobs are also better, and we can think of the private job also. Third, learning skills in college itself, and from the example of that TCS interview, that we should also focus on how to solve a problem rather than just getting a skill sets. We should also focus on that. With that, I also want to share one quote from the Three Idiot movie, that कामयाबी के पीछे मत भागो, काबिल बनो, कामयाबी झक मार के पीछे आएगी. Thank you.
Okay, Saurav.
Okay, friends, I will take this opportunity to conclude this discussion. We have a very good discussion, and we could come up with some of the very wonderful solutions to this problem. The problems we discussed are the main reasons of this unemployment were the low grade of technical educations that are provided. We are actually focusing more on conventional educational system. The government is not recruiting so much people in the public. Also, due to this COVID pandemic, the low and middle industries are also getting closed, and due to this there are unemployment, and finally there is unemployment due to the people migrating from the rural to the urban sector. And we could come up with some very good solutions, like the example that Ram gave, that actually the insight is important. Besides the skills we have, the insights we have to inculcate in our education system. Secondly, the government should take proper direction in recruiting more and more people, and the students should be also motivated so that they can get a good opportunity to getting a job for their own benefit. So thank you, my friends. This is a very good discussion.
Okay, Kaushik.
Thank you, everyone, for giving me this opportunity to conclude. I think we had a very healthy discussion, and we highlighted many important points, both in the problems and solutions. So moving on to the problems, I think we all agreed on this particular point. As our members pointed out, employees or the job seekers are not adaptable and are less interested in making themselves more dynamic. That is one of the source of problem. The curriculum that is being taught in the colleges of the university are not adapted to the demands of the industry. And third problem that was pointed out is that the agricultural sector is less lucrative, and hence people are migrating from the agricultural sector to other sectors, and therefore the pool of the job seekers are increasing. And then we all mentioned about the COVID-19 and its impacts on various small and large sectors of the industry. on the possible solution. One of our friends pointed out that the farming sector must be lucrative, that people do not migrate from that sector. The packages for boosting different shutdown sectors in the COVID-19 should be implemented to rejuvenate employment in those sectors. One of our friend also mentioned that startups must be promoted by the government and initial support should be provided. And we all agreed upon that the tailor-made and updated curriculum is required that caters to the need of the industry, so that with said that, I would like to conclude. Thank you all.
Okay, so now let me give you the feedback. See, number one, you people could make some kind of classification or some kind of dimension you could give in the introduction, all of you, but you could not understand the topic. It was not related to engineering. Actually, it was related to overall unemployment. So it was looking like you guys are talking more about engineering and the domain in which you are, public sector jobs and all. So though that can be one component of it, but it was not the main topic. Was problem of unemployment in India and its solution. Okay, so what would have been the best is, okay friends, let's discuss on this topic, problem of unemployment in India and its solution. I believe it is one of the most relevant topics to be discussed, and if we discuss it in length and we find out some kind of solution, that will be helpful not only for us, but it may be helpful for others also who are basically seeking this kind of opportunity. So let's discuss on this topic. You could have done that way. Now friends, what I believe is how we can discuss further employment. Now employment, first of all, we need to see who are the employers, because employment seeker, there are so many people who are employment seeker. Everybody wants job, everybody wants employment, but who provides the job? Let's categorize this entire discussion on the basis of that. Either the employer is government, public sector, or the employer is the private sector, largely. Now, as far as the government and public sector is concerned, that is one category. Let's go for second category, which is private. Now in private also, I can divide private employer also in two categories. Organized sector, in which multinational companies, big companies, small scale companies come, but they are organized sector. Second is unorganized sector. Unorganized sector, very small company, not even registered, but shop and giving jobs to some people and all. Third category can be the people who are self-employed, running tea shop or running small ventures, or even working in the field. They are self-employed. That can be the third category which I can think of. So largely employment is under these particular domains. Now friends, I believe that we should discuss this topic should be discussed under these headings. Now let's open the discussion and come out with the problems associated with the employment in each one of these, and what can be the probable solution. तुम open करो. Government and public sector में who can enter? You need to have qualification. Even for the job of PN, you need to have qualification. So government and public sector is not meant for someone who is not educated. And in India, there are so many people who are actually not educated. Even in educated, the government and public sector can basically provide the employment to very small number of people. So for solution of the problem of unemployment cannot be on the basis of government or public sector jobs. It cannot be on the basis of that. Now government is to provide the jobs. Why? Because to maintain the criticalities of services, government needs to have its doctors, government needs to have its teachers to meet the right to education and all these things. So the purpose of government jobs is something different. It is not providing employment. Purpose of government job is something different. Defense jobs are not created to provide employment. Doctors in government are not provided to provide the employment. It is to basically cater to the service. Government is to play the social role. It is for that. Now let's come to private sector. Now in the private sector, there are organized sector, unorganized sector. In the organized sector also, education is required. Now majority of technocrats, majority of MBA graduates, majority of the educated people need to increase their skill as per the requirement of this organized sector. Then only they can get jobs there. Now the problem of Indian engineers not getting job is precisely this. Organized sector need technocrats, but technocrats being breeding from the colleges are not skilled for the requirement of these private sectors, organized sector, and hence they are not getting into that. Unorganized sector jobs are those which need little less skilled or little less educated people, or maybe uneducated people, illiterate people, unorganized sector. But unorganized sector surviving itself is a problem because of the various situations like government policies or COVID and all. So unorganized sector as of now is not surviving that much. Unorganized sector is to thrive, is to survive, to create the jobs. Now let's come to fourth part, which unfortunately provides the employment to largest chunk of the population. That is self-employment. Field job of a farmer, I will categorize that as self-employment. A person who is running a tea shop, a person who is doing some kind of other activity for his own, I mean cleaning the cars or something like that, running a barber shop or running the Kriana shop or running the shop for that matter, that I will put in the category of self-employment. Now for self-employment, ecosystem is to be created. Government is to provide ecosystem. Why farming is not lucrative offer? Because the produce from the farm is not sufficient enough to feed the family. So government is to step in, and this sector is to be made lucrative so that per person income generated is sufficient for survival. That is the fourth option. So that is this one. So ये problem है और ये हर एक point का एक बार आपने categorize ढंग से कर दिया तो भाई पूरा discussion हो जाएगा. Categorize ढंग से करना, classification ढंग से करनी है, वो creativity है, वो with pass of time आएगा. लेकिन मैं हर topic में जरूर बताता हूँ आपको, इसलिए because the moment you start thinking on that line, you will become more creative. You will start getting the ideas. Like today also you got the ideas. No, though not to my satisfaction level, not that comprehensive, not that beautiful, which we can say, okay, it is a really good year. Now everything is covered. But still you tried. Kiran said, okay, let's talk with this. Why there is unemployment, how we can solve the employment. So he talked of reason, causes, and solution. In fact, everybody classified that way. What are the reasons of unemployment and what are the solution for that unemployment? Then he talked about COVID, education, but he talked about engineering. I did not want to hear this word engineering because it was not related to engineering, though it was one of the topics where you could have plugged in engineering. Then they talked about the conclusion part of Kiran was best. Conclusion part Kiran could give was good. He could talk about others and he could sum up on behalf of others also. Kaushik gave reasons, what can be the reasons and what can be the solution. So what Kiran said, Kaushik also said the same, but Kaushik put it in a better way. So when you listen your GD, you listen to both of them. Kiran also said the same, Kaushik also said the same, but there was a difference in the way they said. Kaushik could well define it. He said, okay, there are job seeking, there are job providers, and all these things he talked about, and COVID-19 also he mentioned. That is what Kaushik said. Now come to Vaibhav. Vaibhav gave good introduction today. So Vaibhav normally is not very good in GD so far, but today he gave good introduction. So Vaibhav stick to that. He said, okay, he gave different dimension. He said, okay, the one of the how I can classify is that there is a population, and population is increasing. Population is increasing, so whatever jobs you create, if population is more, then obviously jobs will not be sufficient. Second, he said economy is also not booming. So if population is huge but economy is also huge, no problem. China. But if population is huge but economy is not working, that is India. China और India में difference क्या है? China के अंदर population huge है, India से ज़्यादा है, लेकिन economy भी huge है, पूरे world को चलाती है. India के comparison में China की population almost same, but India के comparison में China की economy so many times. That is the difference. So economy हमारी है नहीं, population हमारी है. ये वैभव ने 2 पॉइंट इसके ऊपर क्लासिफिकेशन कर दिया. सिंपल था लेकिन सटीक था, अच्छा उसने बता दिया, ठीक है. उसके बाद बीच में वो बोलता भी रहा, कंक्लूजन उसने अपना ही पॉइंट का कर दिया. वैभव, यू वर ओनली कंक्लूडिंग व्हाट यू सेड इन द इंट्रोडक्शन, दैट इज व्हाट यू वर कंक्लूडिंग. आपने बाकियों का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट नहीं डाला. तो इंट्रोडक्शन जो था वैभव तुम्हारा अभी तक का तुम्हारा बेस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, तुम्हारा अपना पार्ट पे अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन तुमने बोला. राम सेड ओके लेट्स टॉक, दिस अ वेरी गुड टॉपिक, करंट रेलेवेंट टॉपिक है ये और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इसके ऊपर थॉट प्रोवोकिंग होना चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम क्या है और सोल्यूशन क्या है. और राम का अच्छा बात ये था कि राम ने इसको सब कैटेगराइज भी किया. उसने बोला ओके दिस इज द कैटेगरी, नो लेट्स सब कैटेगराइज इट. यू कैन डू दैट आल्सो. सॉल्यूशन को भी सब कैटेगराइज कर दिया. स्टूडेंट, टीचर, कॉलेज, जो गलत था बेसिकली, स्टूडेंट, कॉलेज, टीचर, वो इंजीनियरिंग की तरफ चला गया, वो एजुकेशन की तरफ चला गया. जो फार्मर, स्टूडेंट, कॉलेज, टीचर, ये तो पिछला टॉपिक था जो मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया. अनस्किल्ड इंजीनियर्स एंड ऑल, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग एक्चुअली. सब कैटेगरीज
Yes.
तुमने मारा, लेकिन वो सब कैटेगरीज सही नहीं मारा,
गलत पूरे
वो
गलत।
गलत हो गया, तो उसमें गड़बड़ हो गई। बाकी बीच में तुम बोलते रहे, एग्जाम्पल तुमने आज देने का ट्राई किया, स्टोरी सी सुना रहे थे तुम, लेकिन कौशिक ने
हाँ।
नाक अड़ा दिया बीच में, तो कौशिक ने तुम्हारी बातें नहीं सुनी। इंजीनियरिंग
No.
पीएसयू तुम कुछ बोल रहे थे, कौशिक ने बोला ये आदमी हमेशा पकाता है, तो उसने आज तुम्हें सुना ही नहीं। सो एनीहाउ दिस एग्जाम्पल पार्ट इज गुड, एग्जाम्पल देते हैं तो लोग सुनते हैं। वो अब कौशिक को तुम्हारा ट्रिक पता लग गया तो तुम्हें सुना नहीं उसने आज, अदरवाइज वहां पे सुनेंगे लोग, डोंट वरी।
Yes.
Kishle next again, what are the problem? What are the solution? That is what Kishle said. So what are the problems? What are the solution? So he said mismanagement of the government. Don't use these words. Don't say mismanagement of the government. You are trying to get into the government. So don't say mismanagement of the government. So you guys should understand that what you are trying to enter into. So there are problems. So okay, government policies you can say. Government policies can be one of the cause. COVID can be there. Skill enhancement can be there. Again Kishle, your energy level still has not come to that level. थोड़ा energetic, थोड़ा assertive, थोड़ा aggressive करके आप डिस्कशन करो। आपका डिस्कशन ऐसा लगता है आप अपने से बात कर रहे हो, अपने आप से ही बात कर रहे हो, दूसरों से डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहे हो। जीडी वो नहीं होता, ग्रुप डिस्कशन वो नहीं होता। ग्रुप डिस्कशन इज यू हैव टू टॉक टू अदर्स, लिसन टू देम, गिव योर ओपिनियन, समथिंग लाइक दैट। Saurabh ne said why, where, how. Saurabh said okay, let's categorize it into three parts. Why, where, how. Why उसने बोला कोविड है, लो क्वालिटी एजुकेशन है, कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स, अगेन वो इंजीनियरिंग वगैरह की तरफ ले गया। वेयर एंड हाउ मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, हाउ ही कैटेगराइज्ड। सौरभ, व्हाट वाज वेयर एंड हाउ?
You said I categorized why, what, and how. Means
Uh-huh.
why is this
Why
unemployment?
Hmm.
What it causes, means what it causes. What are the adverse effects? Right, the economy is not going, or the students are actually
What part is not relevant for our discussion? Is it
due.
what unemployment is creating trouble in India? That is not the topic actually.
Okay, sir.
Problems of unemployment in India and its solution. ये है why, problem, solution. So what part, what it caters to,
Okay, sir.
and how is what, how
How means how to solve this problem.
solution. So that is what I mean. Majority of you thought of what are the problems, why are the problems of unemployment, and what is the solution. I think that is what you thought of. And then think of the classification which I gave you. Think creatively, think of classification. Believe me, if you practice in group discussion about the classification, nobody can defeat you. Nobody can defeat you in the GD. This is the most important thing in group discussion. This will make you very, very good in argumentative actually. This will make you very good orator, very good speaker on any platform. If you start thinking logically, we all are technocrats, we think logically. क्लासिफिकेशन करना स्टार्ट करो यार, ये है क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ये स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया, अब बताओ। और कल को तुम मैनेजर भी बन जाओगे, कहीं चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव बन जाओगे, दिस इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड दिस रियली हेल्प्स कि ये है यार, कैटेगराइज करो। अब सारी प्रॉब्लम मेरे टेबल पे आ गई, सारी प्रॉब्लम मैंने एक बोर्ड पे लिख ली, अब बताओ हाउ टू अप्रोच इट, देन इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी। क्रिएटिव दिमाग है बस, और कुछ भी नहीं है। ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हें नॉलेज चाहिए, तुम सोच नहीं सकते, सब है तुम्हारे पास। जो मैंने क्लासिफिकेशन किया, इसमें ऐसी कौन सी चीज थी जो तुम्हें पता नहीं थी। ओके, लेट्स डिवाइड द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। एम्प्लॉयर कौन कौन से, गवर्नमेंट है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर है, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, तीन ही चीज है। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की प्रॉब्लम विल बी ओवर इफ देयर इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट। If who will provide employment? Employer. So let's see where is employer. Where are employee? वो तो सब जगह दिख ही रहे हैं, हम सब लोग वही तो हैं। Employee, मेरे को जॉब दो, मेरे को जॉब दो। ऐसा आदमी ढूंढ सकते हैं जिसको जॉब चाहिए? हाँ सर, सारे वैसे तो हैं, सारे वही तो घूम रहे हैं। अच्छा, ऐसा आदमी ढूंढ सकते हैं जो जॉब दे रहा है? नहीं यार, ये तो मुश्किल है, तो उसको ढूंढते हैं ना फिर। Let's find out the employer. And who are the employer? Government. Oh, government cannot give job to everyone. Then private. Private also two categories. Private looking for something skill. You know, Google is not going to give you job. Tata is not going to give you job so easily. Tata exam conduct करवाएगा. Then unorganized, छोटा मोटा कंपनी, छोटा मोटा जॉब मिल गया, unorganized, लेकिन वो बेचारे खुद सर्वाइव नहीं कर रहे हैं। फिर और कुछ नहीं तो खुद का काम करते हैं यार, चाय की दुकान खोलते हैं, पकौड़े की दुकान खोलते हैं, राइट। पर चाय पकौड़ा खोलने मेरे को ट्रबल नहीं है, घर चल पड़ेगा क्या उससे, बस ये है। इट इज नॉट कि चाय की दुकान खोल के मेरे को परेशानी हो रही है। I'll prefer to sell tea and earn sufficiently than to work in MNC. I tell you honestly. लेकिन क्या चाय बेच के मेरा घर अच्छा चल पड़ेगा? That is a question. तो वहां पे क्या ट्रबल है? या जैसे फार्म है, एग्रीकल्चर है, एग्रीकल्चर इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग एक्चुअली। खेत में काम करो, पैसा कमाओ, लेकिन उतना पैसा मिल जाएगा क्या? I'll prefer to work in garden or field rather than Infosys office हेल्थ वाइज भी और वैसे भी यार वो सब सही रहेगा, लेकिन पैसा नहीं मिलेगा ना उसमें, तो वो प्रोडक्टिव नहीं है, वो उतना बेनिफिशियल नहीं है। दिस इज द मेन ट्रबल। तो ऐसे डिस्कस करो उसको क्लासिफिकेशन करके। क्लासिफिकेशन इज द मेन थिंग। ट्यून योर माइंड, क्लोज योर आइज, के क्रिएटिवली सोचना है नेक्स्ट टाइम मेरे को क्लासिफिकेशन मारना है और ये 4 लाइन मेरे को रटना है। इफ यू डू दैट यू आर इन, देन द जीडी विल बी रियली गुड। एंड कीप एनहांसिंग योर नॉलेज आल्सो। जो टॉपिक मैंने आपको भेजे उनको एक बार गो थ्रू करते रहो, सुनो उनको, डेली बेसिस पे सुनो। एंड दिस इज यू हैव टू पुट एफर्ट, 10-12 आवर्स का एफर्ट डेली डालो, देन यू कैन क्लियर दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टफ, राइट? एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क और टेल?
सर मेरा कंक्लूजन पार्ट में पॉइंट्स में बोलना सही है ना, उसमें कुछ
ठीक है,
दिक्कत नहीं।
कोई ट्रबल
और
नहीं।
सर आखिरी में एक पंच लाइन, मतलब किसी में याद आ जाती है तो बोलना सही
मार
रहेगा।
सकते हो। अब देखो ये बहुत रेलिवेंट है तो ठीक है, बहुत रेलिवेंट है तब तो ये ठीक है, अगर रेलिवेंट नहीं है तो ट्रबल हो सकता है उस चीज का। कि
Yes.
जो तुमने पंच लाइन 3 इडियट्स की बनाई थी वो सक्सेस से रिलेटेड है एक्चुअली, कि अपने
Yes.
कामयाब के
यस
वो अपना
वो आपके इंट्रो के बाद समझा कि गलत, मतलब पूरा ही वो
हाँ,
गलत हो गया था।
हाँ वो गलत हो गया ना, तो अब वो पंच लाइन तो अच्छा मारा तुमने, लेकिन
Yes.
रेलिवेंट नहीं थी वहां पे।
यस
तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा गलती होता है। जैसे कोई वोकैब का वर्ड मेरे मुंह पे है, बहुत अच्छा वर्ड, अब मैं कहने की उसको डालना चाहता हूँ, गलत जगह नहीं ना डाल दूंगा उसको, तो अच्छा
Yes.
कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होगा। या कोई कोट मेरे को याद है, नेल्सन मंडेला का कोट, टॉपिक कुछ और चल रहा है, मैंने नेल्सन मंडेला का कोट उसमें डाल दिया, बेनिफिट नहीं होगा ना उसका। तो सही जगह पे सही वर्ड, सही सेंटेंस, सही एग्जांपल, वही तुम्हें देना है, ना तुम्हें ज्यादा बोलना है ना तुम्हें कम बोलना है।
वही सर स्टार्टिंग में इंजीनियरिंग से जोड़ के रखा था, इसीलिए फिर आखिरी में भी वही लाइन याद आई
वही
तो
तुम, हाँ वो
बोल-
तुम सब लोग गलत डायरेक्शन में चले गए।
यस
तुम लोगों ने
गलत
अपना
किया।
केस डिस्कस कर लिया, तुम फार्मर को भूल गए, तुम अनएम्प्लॉयड, तुम इलिटरेट बंदे को भूल गए, तुम लो स्किल्ड को भूल गए, जो 10 पास है उसको भूल गए। उसने भी तो नौकरी लेनी है ना यार। वो तो टॉपिक तुमने जनरल टॉपिक को तुमने स्पेसिफिक कर दिया, इंजीनियरिंग की तरफ ले गए तुम सारे टॉपिक। इट वाज नॉट इंजीनियरिंग एक्चुअली,
यस
राइट? इंजीनियरिंग वाला टॉपिक मैंने अभी 6 बजे डिस्कस किया है, उसको सुन लेना, ये दोनों अपलोड हो जाएंगे कल, और उन दोनों टॉपिक्स को सुन लेना और उसका कंक्लूजन पार्ट याद कर लेना, राइट? जितने भी जीडी अपलोड हो रहे हैं उनमें जो मैं एंड में क्लासिफिकेशन देता हूं, कम से कम वो कॉपी पे लिख लिया करो। बट एवर क्लासिफिकेशन आई प्रोवाइड ऑफ 2-3 मिनट्स in every GD, take copy, write the name of the topic and those classifications, at least you write it. That will help you to think of how classification is done, right?
सर एनर्जी लेवल कैसे इंक्रीज करेंगे सर?
बोल बोल के कुछ खाया करो, बादाम बादाम, दूध दूध कुछ खाओ।
सर मैंने इसका देखा है कि सर ये बोलना चालू करता है तो किसी का सुनता ही नहीं है, सीधा मतलब फुल स्पीड में निकल जाता है बोलते होते, लेकिन फिर उसमें भी समझता नहीं है कि वो बोलना क्या चाहता है, मतलब
तो
वर्ड्स
जब
गायब हो
जब
जाते
तुम बात करोगे लेकिन तुम वॉइस लेवल लो रखोगे, हैंड मूव
हाँ,
नहीं
और-
करोगे और तुम बिल्कुल एक्सप्रेशन लेस होके बात करोगे, तो वो आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा नहीं होगा। आपको अच्छे कम्युनिकेशन करने में बहुत चीजें हेल्प करती हैं। पिचिंग ऑफ योर वॉइस, ये जो मैं हाथ मूव कर रहा हूँ ये भी एक कम्युनिकेशन का पार्ट है। आईज लिड में मूव कर रहा हूँ, मैं हैंड मूव कर, अपना बॉडी मूव कर रहा हूँ, आगे पीछे आ रहा हूँ, दिस ऑल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन। This everything helps. This everything makes you dynamic. Understand? This is how you have to think of. Don't keep sitting at one place and keep speaking. Communication में only lips and मुंह नहीं चलता है, उंगलियां भी चलती हैं, eyelids भी चलता है, ये eyebrow भी चलता है, माथा भी चलता है तुम्हारा। This all collectively is a communication actually, right?
यस
आ जाएगा, प्रैक्टिस करो, you will get it. See, जिस लेवल पे तुम हिट करोगे जीडी तो निकल जाएगा। I'm not preparing for GD, GD तो तुम्हारा निकल ही जाएगा, that is not a trouble. वो हो जाएगा। I'm preparing for something big के वो आगे वाले लेवल पे you acquire that particular trait. It helps you in the growth further, right? Okay, good night to all of you.
थैंक यू सर।